Get ready to be amazed as we delve into the incredible findings of the Cassini mission. From the discovery of a potential source of life on Enceladus to the unveiling of the complex hydrocarbon cycle on Titan, these discoveries and many more have completely changed our understanding of the outer reaches of our solar system. But the story of Cassini didn't end peacefully. Its mission came to a dramatic close as it intentionally crashed into Saturn's atmosphere, cementing its place as one of the most successful and groundbreaking space missions of all time. So come along and let Cassini take you on a journey you'll never forget. Let me set the scene for you. It was 1997, and the world was on the brink of a new millennium. Technology was rapidly advancing, and new frontiers were being explored in science and space. In the world of politics, international agreements were being made to address global challenges, while in pop culture, beloved franchises were being launched and iconic figures were making their mark. It was a time of great change and excitement, and the events of 1997 would go on to shape the world for years to come. But perhaps none more than when we embarked on a journey to the very edges of our solar system, with the launch of the Cassini spacecraft.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of the Cassini spacecraft on a billion-mile trek to Saturn.
The Cassini spacecraft was a groundbreaking mission, a collaboration between three of the world's premier space agencies, NASA, the ESA, and the ISA. It launched on the morning of October 15, 1997, on a journey that included several gravity-assisted maneuvers around other planets. Over the next several years, Cassini conducted a thorough investigation of Saturn and its moons, including close flybys of the intriguing bodies Titan and Enceladus. Equipped with a suite of advanced scientific instruments, including cameras, spectrometers, and radar, Cassini beamed back a wealth of data and stunning images, providing us with an unprecedented look at this distant corner of the solar system. Some of the key objectives of the Cassini mission included unraveling the mysteries of Saturn's atmosphere, from its composition and structure to its awe-inspiring weather patterns, charting the landscapes and geography of Saturn's moons, searching for signs of life and the potential for habitability, delving into the secrets of Saturn's stunning rings, exploring their properties and behavior, examining the magnetic and plasma environment of Saturn and its moons, revealing the forces at play in this distant realm. Through these objectives, Cassini aimed to shed new light on the wonder of Saturn and its moons, giving us a deeper understanding of the processes at work in this corner of the solar system. On its venture, the Cassini spacecraft used a technique called a gravitational slingshot, also known as a gravity assist, to reach Saturn. This technique involves the spacecraft using the gravitational pull of a planet to increase its speed and alter its trajectory. In the case of Cassini, the spacecraft was launched and traveled through the inner solar system, passing close to Earth and Venus, before reaching Saturn in 2004. As Cassini passed by each of these planets, it used the planet's gravity to slingshot itself towards Saturn, gaining speed and changing its course. This allowed Cassini to reach Saturn more quickly and efficiently than if it just relied on its own propulsion. Gravity assists are commonly used by spacecraft to reach distant planets, as they allow the spacecraft to take advantage of the natural gravitational forces of the planets to save fuel and reduce the overall cost of the mission. As part of this mission, Cassini conducted numerous flybys of Saturn's largest moon, Titan. These flybys allowed Cassini to gather detailed information about Titan's surface, atmosphere, and potential for supporting life. Cassini also conducted flybys of the small moon, Enceladus, which revealed the presence of water ice and geysers on the moon's surface. In addition to these flybys, Cassini spent much of its mission in orbit around Saturn, studying the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and rings. It also conducted joint observations with the Huygens probe, which was deployed to the surface of Titan in 2005. Overall, Cassini's 13-year mission greatly increased our understanding of Saturn and its moons, and provided valuable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. For an incredible 20 years, the Cassini spacecraft braved the vastness of space, completing 294 orbits and capturing over 453,000 breathtaking images back to Earth. Its mission took it to the very edges of our solar system and beyond, as it explored the mystery of Saturn and its moons. Even after 2 decades of groundbreaking science, Cassini's legacy lives on, as researchers continue to analyze the wealth of data and images it gathered during its epic journey. The Cassini mission made a groundbreaking discovery when it found evidence of a hydrocarbon cycle on Titan. This cycle involves the production, transportation, and transformation of hydrocarbons, compounds made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms, on the Saturnian moon. Hydrocarbons are the building blocks of life and play a crucial role in many ecosystems. The discovery of a hydrocarbon cycle on Titan suggests that the moon may have the potential to support life, and has significant implications for our understanding of the habitability of other celestial beings. This finding was a major achievement for the Cassini mission, and has paved the way for further research into the possibilities of life beyond Earth. But that isn't all. Cassini's flybys of Enceladus were nothing short of groundbreaking. The spacecraft discovered that this small moon has water, ice, and geysers on its surface, hinting at the existence of a liquid water ocean beneath the ice. This ocean is thought to contain all the necessary ingredients for life, including organic molecules and energy sources. These findings have sparked excitement and intrigue among scientists, as they suggest that this distant moon may be capable of supporting some life. The discovery of a potential habitable environment beyond Earth is a major milestone in our search for life in the universe, and has fueled further research into the habitability of other celestial bodies. After over a decade of studying Saturn and its moons, the Cassini spacecraft's mission came to a dramatic end on September 15, 2017. The spacecraft embarked on a series of death-defying dives through the inner edge of Saturn's rings. Dubbed the Grand Finale, these 22 orbits, each lasting 6 days, took Cassini closer and closer to the gas giant planet than ever before. But this wasn't just a joyride. Cassini's final mission served a crucial purpose. By plugging into Saturn's atmosphere, the spacecraft burned up like a meteor, ensuring that it did not contaminate any of the planet's moons, which may have the potential to support life, with microbes from Earth. Followers of NASA's website were able to witness the epic conclusion of Cassini's journey to the Saturn system. As it hurtled towards Saturn during its grand finale, Cassini made a last-ditch effort to gather as much data as possible. The spacecraft collected information that even the most imaginative of the mission's original planners couldn't have dreamed of. Cassini's instruments mapped out Saturn's gravity and magnetic fields in unprecedented detail, giving us a glimpse into the inner workings of the gas giant. It also improved our understanding of the rings, bringing us one step closer to uncovering their mysteries. And, as if that wasn't enough, Cassini's particle detectors sampled icy particles from the rings as they were drawn into Saturn's atmosphere by the planet's magnetic field. All of this invaluable data was collected in Cassini's final moments before it met its fiery demise in Saturn's atmosphere. In its final moments, Cassini's cameras captured breathtaking, ultra-close images of Saturn's rings and clouds, offering a level of detail and clarity never seen before. As the spacecraft braved the unknown and ventured closer to the planet than any mission before it, it uncovered valuable insights into the mysteries of giant planets and how they evolve. And with a final flourish, Cassini completed its 20-year mission by plummeting into Saturn's atmosphere, ensuring that the potentially life-supporting moons of Enceladus and Titan remained untainted by any hardy microbes that may have survived the journey from Earth. It was a daring and romantic conclusion to an epic tale of discovery. The Cassini mission was an epic journey of discovery that unveiled a treasure trove of scientific secrets about Saturn and its moons. From the liquid methane lakes of Titan to the geysers of water vapor and ice on Enceladus, Cassini's discoveries were nothing short of groundbreaking. The spacecraft mapped out the surface features and geology of these mysterious moons, and even delved into the atmospheres of Titan and Enceladus, revealing their unique compositions. Cassini also measured the size, shape, and orientation of Saturn's majestic rings, and unraveled the mystery of the gas giant's atmosphere, detecting lightning and radio waves along the way.
Project Manager, Flight Director.
Go ahead.
Okay, we call loss of signal 115546 for the S-band, so that would be the end of the spacecraft.
Project Manager on FSO Quard. I hope you're all as deeply proud of this amazing accomplishment. Congratulations to you all. This has been an incredible mission, an incredible spacecraft, and you're all an incredible team.
In the end, Cassini's mission was a resounding success. Enriching our understanding of Saturn and the solar system in ways we could have never imagined.
I'm going to call this the end of mission. Project Manager off the net.
Thank you for watching this video. If you watched this far, leave a comment telling us your favorite thing about space. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more content.